हेलो दोस्तों, ब्रेनियक आईएएस में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है जियोमैग्नेटिज्म। आज हम समझेंगे कि अर्थ का मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या है और उसका क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है अर्थ के लिए। तो पहले ही इस वर्ड को समझते हैं, दैट इज जियोमैग्नेटिज्म। जियो, as we have studied, is earth. So geomagnetism is a magnetic field associated with earth. तो ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अर्थ में बनता कैसे है? How this magnetic field formed on our earth? आपको पता है अर्थ में ऊपर वाला पार्ट क्रस्ट है, फिर मेंटल है, मेंटल के बाद कोर है, कोर भी दो में डिवाइडेड है, आउटर कोर, इनर कोर। दिस आउटर कोर इज अवर मेन पॉइंट ऑफ स्टडी in this topic. This outer core, as we have studied, is liquid and inner core is solid. अपन ने पहले पढ़ा था कि कोर बनती है निकल और आयरन से, तो उसको नाइफ लेयर भी बोलते हैं अपन कोर को। तो because of the presence of iron, this liquid outer core has charges, and the motion of these charges in the outer core forms electric current, and this electric current resulted into the magnetic fields. ये है कहानी कि कैसे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड फॉर्म होते हैं। तो अपन ने इतना समझ लिया, डेफिनेशन समझ ली जियोमैग्नेटिज्म की, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एसोसिएटेड विद अर्थ। फिर देखा कि दिस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जनरेटेड इन द आउटर कोर because as this outer core is liquid in state and this outer core contains iron in dissolved form, and because of this dissolved iron, charges are produced, and these motion of charges resulted into the formation of electric current, and because of this electric current magnetic fields are produced. तो ये चार्जेस मोशन कैसे करते हैं? हाउ दिस चार्जेस मोशन ऑफ चार्जेस is due to two reasons caused by: first, earth's rotation cause the motion of the charges, and second, convection currents. As these convection currents move, these charges also move. And this study of earth magnetism is known as paleomagnetism. Paleomagnetism is the study of earth's magnetism. So अर्थ के मैग्नेटिज्म से एटमॉस्फेयर पे क्या पड़ता है, तो ये देखते हैं। As you can see in the picture, somewhere there is sun, and this sun emits solar winds. The solar wind contains charged particles. These are the solar winds emitted from the sun, which contains the charged particle. But because of the earth's magnetism, these charged particles are deflected away from the earth. If these charged particles are not deflected, they cause several damages the earth's material and also affects the living beings on this earth. These charges are got deflected because of this earth magnetism. Suppose this is earth. Because of the charges, earth form two poles, north and south. These poles are not the geographic poles that we know. These poles are magnetic poles, and their location varies from the geographic poles of the earth. And from this north to south, the magnetic currents flows connecting the two poles. These are the magnetic currents flowing from north to south, and these magnetic currents block the sun radiations, deflect it. But as you can see in the poles, these magnetic lines converges, which trap some of these ions in the north and south hemisphere. These charged particles from the solar winds got trapped in the northern and southern hemisphere. And because of the interaction of these charged particles with the gases in the Earth's atmosphere, it created the beautiful, colorful lights, which we termed as aurora. This is aurora. These beautiful lights, इन लाइट्स को देखने के लिए काफी लोग जाते हैं नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल, जबकि वहां का टेम्परेचर एक्सट्रीम रहता है, एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड इज देयर, बट शौकीन है लोग तो जाते हैं। तो अपन को नदर्न लाइट्स के बारे में ही पता है, बट इन सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर अंटार्कटिका also there is similar type of lights. Light of northern hemisphere is known as aurora borealis, while in southern hemisphere it is known as aurora australis. Let's see these lights. जैसा कि आपने वीडियो में अभी देखा, सुंदर सी जो लाइट्स, आपको भी लगा होगा कि ये चीज तो देखने लायक है। तो अगर आप एडवेंचर के शौकीन हैं तो जा सकते हैं नियर नॉर्थ पोल, वहां पे आपको ये कलरफुल लाइट्स दिख जाएंगी। तो पहली मैग्नेटिज्म को और अर्थ के मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को अपन और समझते हैं। जब काफी सालों पहले, हजारों साल पहले जब अर्थ फॉर्म हो रहा था, तो अर्थ एक्वायर अ स्टेबल मैग्नेटिज्म and which got frozen as the magma cooled down, and earth has a stable magnetism, and this acquired magnetism is known as fossil magnetism. Fossil magnetism क्या है? Fossil magnetism, कि when igneous magma crystallizes, the crystals of ferromagnetic minerals such as iron and titanium, these crystals acquire a stable magnetism, and this got frozen as the earth further cooled down. This got frozen and acquire a stable magnetism. And generally, such rocks will have ferromagnetic minerals aligned in the same direction. But when a paleomagnetic evidences are checked for a longer period of time, we have observed that the position of the magnetic poles have steadily moved over a period of time. And this movement of the position of magnetic poles is known as polar wandering. Polar wandering is the movement of the poles of the Earth's of the magnetic poles. These move very slowly and steadily in thousands of years. Poles change their polarity. And during the study of oceanic surface, we have found that some rocks are pointed toward north, while some are pointed toward south. So, because of this, we have inferred that these rocks have changed their polarity. As how can the rocks are pointed in two different directions? So, over a period of time, these rocks have changed their polarity, and the reversal of the polarity can be due to the reversal of convection currents. Generally, this reversal takes very long period of time. These reversal takes up 2 to 3 lakh years. For reversing its polarity, it takes 2 to 3 lakh years. The disturbance in the Earth magnetic field can affect the communication systems of the Earth, like GPS. With help of one video, as you can see, these are the Earth's magnetic field converging in the north and south. This is the sun ray, and as you have seen, this charged solar wind got deflected because of the Earth's magnetic field. These winds are got deflecting. Clearly, you can see that these are deflecting like this. These winds are deflecting because of the Earth's magnetic field. So, this is all about Earth's magnetism. Thank you. Keep smiling.